Hi, this is Joey O'Neill from Sound Systems in Myrtle Beach. I can be reached at 843-602-5883. And I'd like to go through the setup that we have done at Kingston Elementary School. All the equipment remains the same. We made a few changes. We have added a wireless microphone. This wireless microphone consists of a receiver, as you can see, and we have added a cable that plugs into the back of the amplifier. This wireless microphone, if you would like, can sit up on the ledge or can sit up on top of the rack. And it uses a handheld wireless transmitter. This particular one has a microphone clip with it that fits on a stand. And what we do with the wireless microphone is unscrew the base plate, and it uses two AA batteries. We put the clip back on, put the base plate back on, and we turn the microphone on and off by pressing the bottom and holding it for a couple seconds. And it will turn green, letting us know that the microphone is on. Also, if we've noticed, this is the receiver. This RF light lights up, which tells us that we're receiving sound from the wireless microphone. And at this time, testing 1, 2, check test 1, 2, we can use the handheld microphone. Then we can come back and temporarily touch it. If the light turns red, then that means the microphone is muted. If we touch it again, it turns green. Testing 1, 2, and the microphone is on. So this is the wireless microphone that we've added to the system. It does not necessarily have to stay in this rack, but I thought since the space was here, we could just utilize it here and or put it up on top of the rack. When we are finished with this wireless microphone, if I hold the button and turn it off, the RF button goes off, and that means the microphone does not function anymore. Now, cool thing about this setup is we can just unplug it, and this cable can stay right here on the rack. It has a label that says wireless, and it can just stay here. And then we can take this wireless microphone system and move it to any location in the school to use it somewhere else. It does have an external power supply, and that's plugged into the wall, as we can see. We replaced all 6 of the microphone plates on stage. It appears that the ones in the back probably had not been used in a while, because actually they had tape covering them up. But you have all new microphone plates on stage, and because this amplifier only limits us to 2 microphone inputs, we combined the front microphones and the rear microphones into one channel. The reason we did that is because we have already given the school a 14-channel mixer, which gives us a variety of inputs. So at this point, we're not at a loss for microphone inputs. So therefore we combine the front mics and the rear mics. It may be hard to read the label with the video recording, but they're in channel 1, and it says volume 4, which is leave that like it is, front mics and rear mics. The changes we have done, I've taken this wireless microphone cable and wired it into the back of the amplifier, and it now says wireless microphone. So we can control the volume of the wireless microphone by this. 3 and 4 are older units. They're called line inputs. We would use them if we had some type of a CD player or some other type of instrument, which we don't need at this time. There again, because of the 14-channel mixer that we've put in previously. So these 2 do not function. This is bass, this is treble, which is just tone control, and this is our master volume. This amplifier controls the 2 main side speakers and also the second to the last row of speakers in the auditorium. This amplifier remains the same. We had a little trouble with it at first, but there's a ground lift that we did on it. Took care of the noise. And this takes care of the paging speakers, all of the paging speakers throughout the auditorium. So that's a general overview. The only thing we've really added is we've taken the front and rear microphones and combined them to one volume control. And we've taken the wireless microphone and given us the capability of plugging a wireless into here. Or, just because we have a microphone cable, that doesn't mean we have to use a wireless. I could take another microphone cable, which microphone cables are male on one end and female on the other, and I could just hook another microphone cable to this, just like a standard cable, and I could extend it to the stage, and I would still have another input for some type of a microphone. So that might give us some more options. This is the microphone clip for the wireless microphone. It's slightly larger than the normal one, so we need to make sure we don't lose this one. All right, so that's a general overview of the sound system. Next, we're going to talk about the monitor speaker we've added on stage.